want success. I imagine what I want. Believe in it, then achieve it. I don't care what other people think. I'm not looking back, only forward. I hang out with other high achievers. I focus on what I want until I get it. Failure is a temporary condition. I am proud of what I have achieved. I snatch victory from the G's of defeat. I have the courage to be who I want to be. I'm happy now. Would I fail? I find my true desire to succeed. If I survive, I win. I am not afraid. I chase my dreams easily.
Tweety's my name, but I don't know my age. I don't have to worry, and that is that. I'm safe in here from that old putty cat. What's this? A letter for me? I'm just mad about your singing. Come over and we'll make beautiful music together. Your ardent admirer, room 1002. Well, what do you know? I got an admirer. I wonder who it could be. I thought I saw a putty cat. I did tell a putty cat.
Here, what's going on here?
Oh! Help! Please! Help!
I'm sorry, ma'am. I beg your pardon.
Help! Please! Help!